Masama ba, Elder Phil, yung ang sabi nila, ang pera ay ugat ng evil? Is money the root of all evil? What's the correct? The love of money. Kasi, Sir LB, hindi masama yung pera kasi makakarating ka ba rito kung di ka magbabayad sa jeep? Di ba? Pag nag-order ka sa Jollibee, sa Mang Inasal, kailangan mo magbayad. So you need money. But the love of money is different. It means your mind, your heart is focused on money that is hindering you from receiving the gospel. No? Parang hindi mo kayang ipagpalit yung kaligtasan mo doon sa perang tinatanggap mo. Parang mas mahalaga ang pera kaysa sa kaligtasan. Kaya, tama yung tanong ng rich young ruler good teacher, what must I do to be saved? O, di ba? Now, merong isang nagtanong din, when Paul and Silas were in prison, nagtanong din yung gwardiya. Anong sabi niya? Elder Carlito, what must I do to be saved? The same question. And then Paul answered, what? Believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, you and your household will be saved. So, napakahalaga, no? Si Paul nga nakakulong na, pero they were still praising God, and they can still share the gospel to that Guardia Civil.
Calvin describes the seed falling among thorns, or people who receive the gospel but allow worldly cares, anxiety, and the deceitfulness of riches to choke the word, rendering it unfruitful. Calvin highlights that these hearers show initial promise, but ultimately fail to produce fruit due to divided affections.
Divided affection. They receive it with divided attention. Nalilito sila. Pera o kahon? Elder Carlito, ano ka? Pera o kahon? Ang laman ng kahon ay si Jesus Christ. Package deal yun pag natanggap mo. No? Parang ganon. So, yung sinasabi ni John Calvin, no? These people allow themselves to care about the world. Hindi nila mabitawan ang tawag ng mundo. Ang temptation, the fame, the money. Kikita natin na hindi na natin nilalahat, pero when you enter into politics, as we see it in what is happening in the Philippines, iba ginagawang negosyo. No? Tumutulong ka nga, nakapagsiservisyo ka, sumusweldo ka pa, meron ka pang extra income, mga SOP, no? Pero, eto yun Eto yung tawag na binibigay ni Satan sa mga tao na pinangtetep niya para hindi matanggap yung magandang balita. Kasi, kapag sabi nga ni Jesus Christ, kapag nakakita sila at nakarinig, baka makonvert sila no? Yun na nga Baka pag nalaman nila na ako ay namatay para sa kanila, binayaran ko ang kanilang mga kasalanan when I died on the cross. Baka tanggapin nila ako pero at the same time, yung puso nila nandito sa lupa. They're still playing games with God because they love money, they love fame, yung karangyaan, yung katanyagan ng kanilang hindi mabitawan dito sa mundo. Kaya hindi nila kayang tanggapin si Jesus because of that.